Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will be exploring one of the Google Labs experimental AI tools. As you can see on this page, there are four creative platforms. The first one is obviously Whisk, then Flow, Image Effects, and Music Effects. So today we'll be focusing on Whisk. It is for image and video remixing. Um, it it basically lets you remix your images and create unique visuals using advanced Google AI tools. So yeah, let's dive into it. So so what makes Whisk different from other AI image generation models is that instead of writing long text about prompts for the images, you can just create new images using these three different settings here. So there is a subject, scene, and style in which you can add your images and create a new image using it. So for example, I'll show you how it works. um, so we can also use this dice here to randomly create a subject. Here we go. And then a scene and a style. So now uh, we will write a short prompt about uh, mm, now let's see how it makes the image. So with the prompt, it also uses all these three elements and create a new one. So here you can see it has catch the image from the subject and then the scene and then from the style too. So for example, we can also make a prompt like create, yeah. So here you can see it has captured the essence from the style, and thus it has made a new image. We can also recreate and choose different presets for these three image prompts here. So as you can see, we can change this to something else too and use it. And also we can add text here and create a new image here itself. So as you can see, how works is it doesn't directly take the elements of the image. It creates a prompt based on the image and then it feeds to the model and then it creates the so yeah, this is how Wix works. There are some additional features here given by Google. So it's about you can remix, you can change some of the elements of this image. For example, we can just say that there are also hmm, So as you can see, it has also added birds in the image. So it changed the image a bit and added the elements which was said to it. And also you can animate an image and convert it into a video using this button over here called as animate, and just give it a prompt. The man walking in the forest. So as you can see here, the image has been converted into a video. And yeah, this is how this usually works. And also there is a limit as to how much you can create new videos. As you can see here, I have a chance to only create up to 4 new videos using the free version, as you can see. So thank you everyone, thanks for joining, and this is how you can use Whisk. And yeah, hope you enjoy.